don't know exactly what we're waiting for.
A bulk of the video you're about to see was taken on January 16th, 2021. It's of Officer Michael Yamada, who you can see here allegedly picking his nose and eating it. He also later shines a flashlight in my video camera, and he later gives me a ticket on a different day. This video also has Julian Reyes, who's using his iPhone, playing copyrighted music to try to limit my ability to provide transparency. And you also see William Fair, who went viral after also sharing music while I was speaking to him. And there's a couple conversations with him where he tries to do the same thing. We hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to always film the police. And if you have cop videos, you can submit them to mrcheckpoint.com/submit. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your comments, your likes, sharing it, and subscribing to the channel. Have a good one.
Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you fall for it? Let's see what this guy's talking about.
Absolutely.
Hey, excuse me, officer? Are you guys not enforcing mask policy in Beverly Hills?
That's the primary enforcement of the mask, but right now we're a little busy with this right here.
Oh, okay. What is this, by the way?
Right now it sounds like just a heated engage in a conversation, that's all. Yeah. Hey, can you guys tell them on the PA to get out of the street again, please?
Get out of the street.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
How many times do you tell them that before they get a citation?
Well, I mean, when we give somebody a warning and they listen that quickly, we're pretty lenient on that, you know what I mean?
Your video's not on, champ.
We're all day watch patrol.
Beatles.
25A level.
I know.
25A level.
I love that. How did you know?
Isn't that great?
It is.
Beautiful song.
Good vibes.
Yeah.
Hey, champ, they didn't give you a body cam at the department?
Yeah, I do have one actually.
This guy's smart.
He is smart. I love him.
This guy's smart.
Like the Beatles.
I do.
Great song.
Here Comes the Sun, though. No. Sergeant
You always
Fair.
make me laugh. That's why we go way back, right?
Better than making you cry.
I agree.
It's a fine line.
I think laughing burns more calories.
If only this kind of force showed up at the Capitol building, huh?
We were here. We were busy.
Shit. The bear.
We were making sure Beverly Hills was protected, and it was.
I'll do a real fucking job. Stop wasting the tax money.
Are you talking to
Stop wasting the fucking tax money.
He's talking to who?
Are you talking to you or us? What do you think?
We could ask him.
No, what do you think about comments like that?
Comments about what?
You're like standing here minding your own business and somebody needs to be rude like that.
You could understand it though, or no? Huh?
So polite, and then we're getting
No.
It's sad. No one deserves.
I don't feel sympathy. There's few professions you get paid hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Right now, and I believe you do feel sympathy. I think you do.
I believe I should have the right to like literally flip you off, do all of this. I don't think it's in good taste.
Your fans or ours?
I don't know. It's hard to tell
You don't think what's in good taste?
to say things like that.
Well, thank you. I appreciate
However, I think it's a real reaction that is from something that
I'm gonna go talk to you. You hang out with him.
I don't know about that, champ. She doesn't answer questions. Remember this thing? Hey, I got a good question. How come? That's illegal. How come you let the security roll around with their lights on? The yellow and white ones, security guards. getting anywhere with him. Let's go to this conversation.
Where are you from? Really? What part of California?
This is just a regular conversation. Like, people can have regular
No, I know.
conversations.
Of course.
What part of California?
There's too much pressure when you're here.
Well, your body cam's on,
I know,
champ.
but my body camera's not waiting for one of us to make a mistake verbally. I always feel like yours is. You're always cool with me, but I just never know if I'm gonna be that bad clip.
What, the bad what?
The
Clip?
bad clip. Like when you catch somebody saying something that can be used and played
Yeah.
over and over that just looks terrible. When it's taken out of context, it's not really what they meant. I just don't want that to be me.
I
How many
understand.
followers do we have right now? How many people are watching live? That's it. I don't know what to look at. What is this? Oh, 364. It's kind of weak, but
Kind of weak.
I mean, I've seen bigger crowds.
Yeah,
for you.
yeah.
You've done better. That's what I'm saying.
Music? Beverly Hills PD licensed music. I'm asking you a question and you're not now doing your job, are you? Huh? Sir, you're putting on music when I'm trying to talk to you. Can you turn that off? It's a little ridiculous. Can you please turn that off? It's
I'm just trying to see how many people are watching us. Since
I
you
get
can't
it.
answer my simple question, I tried to find it myself.
it's not on there, right?
Well, it's not. Apparently, turned it off.
No, it's still there, but I got ways of getting rid of things like this. So anyway,
So let me go get the answer to your question.
that would be ideal.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why can't we just have a normal conversation sometimes? I've noticed that when your phones aren't up doing this, you're a completely different person.
Yeah, it's scary though talking to people like you.
It's what?
It's scary talking to people in your uniform.
You're never scared talking to me.
I'm always scared
You and I
talking to
get
you.
along very well.
From the first time I met you was very terrifying. Very, if you recall. I have the video, I never shared that
I
one.
have many videos.
But you surrounded me with another officer.
I can think of 50 times we've spoken. And all
50?
I'm saying is you seem to be a completely different person when you talk like this.
Yeah, it's transparency. I'm sure you're a different person when your uniform's on, right?
Well, you don't know because you've never.
This
never
is
been
my
there,
uniform, champ.
Right? You don't know that.
I don't. I
don't
said I'm
know
sure
that
you
you're a
are.
different person.
I'm assuming.
Let me go get the answer to how many of these you need to fill out. While I'm gone, do you have any other questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, one moment.
All right.
Trying to call me.
What do you mean try to? Just 30 seconds. This is a problem
That's
though.
what I'm saying about 30 seconds, though. The 30 seconds was of a 20-minute conversation.
Oh, I'm gonna post way more.
But where we were all good, and then you called me. It really wasn't bad. I'm not upset about it. I find
And you know what? Like for
Hey.
real, it's not about you.
I could barely hear you through the glass. I hear you a lot better now.
It's not about you. It's about the uniform you wear and the power that it has and the responsibility I have as a citizen to do whatever I
What
can.
does this mean to you? I didn't hear what you said earlier. What does it actually mean to you?
Well, I mean, if you follow me, nah, see, you're doing that. What he's doing is he's playing music to try to make it. What are you doing by playing music? Why are you playing music?
I can't hear you.
Well, then turn down your music.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, then turn down your music. That doesn't make sense, does it? Maybe you should put your body cam on. Maybe the body cam should have been on earlier. We're in an active crime scene, right? There's a chopper in there. Sergeant Fair's no body cam. I'm done. Done with you. Not good, champ. No good. No good. You're a gaslighter. You know what? You know what people say? Hey, read the comments.
I read the comments. They're talking about how fake you are.
How what?
Okay, listen to the music. I'm talking about
Dude, that's what we're dealing with. Do you see that? That's how he talks to me. It's like, hello. Hold on. So ABC7's down there. Let's go check it out. Yo, that's crazy. You see how they talk to me, right? But you know what's wild? This thing that they're doing with the music. They're doing this thing with the music. It's crazy.
Nah, we protest when we see the two of us. Too scared to get out, that's why they're doing it. Your politics
What should we do?
first blind.
Oh, that's the cop that gave me the ticket.
With the orange one.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, him.
Sorry
No, not Kim. Not Kim. His name's I forget his name. I do.
Can you see your driver's license,
Yeah,
please?
it's right here, sir.
And vehicle registration? You can't be operating a vehicle. How come you didn't have your passenger use your cell phone while you're driving?
Oh, sorry, sir. I was wanting to hold it. What was your name?
Okay, Officer Yamada.
Yamon. How you doing?
I'm doing great, sir.
Oh, no, no, it's fine.
Okay, why don't you right back?
Thank you, sir. I'm watching cars go back and forth, honking, blasting music, no tickets. Okay, but what about him? He's got a flag out his window that's about 6 feet, blasting music.
We'll stop him too. When it comes around, we'll stop everybody.
Or just me?
No, what? We just stop the guy.
Is he gonna get a ticket?
Listen to me. Look.
Is he getting a citation?
Let me ask the officer. It's
Let's
up
ask
to the
him.
officer.
All right, let's find out. Oh, sorry. I was wanting getting a ticket. Are you getting a ticket? No? You're not getting a ticket? But you were honking your horn and you're not wearing your seatbelt. Oh, you are?
Seriously?
Hey, Sergeant Kim!
Sergeant Kim.
Huh?
Really? Get the fuck
It's very obvious. It's very obvious
clear.
who you make
Very
exceptions
clear.
for.
It's very clear.
Thank you, Sergeant Kim. Good work. Protect and serve. It's really cool who you make exceptions for.
Hi. You see right here, but you see citation for a cell phone. Please take that out of my face.
No, I'd rather not. I need to be able to view you.
Okay.
Wait,
You
why
sign
would
right
you
here,
cover?
sir?
It's a First
Because I need
Amendment
you-
right to film you,
So I'm
champ.
not trying to rent your film. I need you to sign the citation.
I know.
Okay?
Can you get the flashlight out of my
Two
eye?
options. If you disagree with the citation, you can always talk to the judge, commissioner, or pay the fine, sir. Do you have any other questions before you sign the citation?
Yeah, can you
Yeah,
get the
why didn't
flashlight out of my eye?
why didn't they give them tickets?
I don't know why they didn't. Okay, I'm
Can you
talking
ask
to
him?
this gentleman right here. Okay.
Can you ask him?
No, sir. I'm talking to you right now. Okay. So, do you want to sign the citation? Or you don't
I do want to sign it, but could I see your
I have a
name?
refusal, Sarge.
What do you mean? I want to sign it. I
you
just
do
said
want to- oh, I
that.
thought you
Yeah.
said you
Can I
didn't.
see your name tag, champ?
It's Officer Yamada.
How do you spell that?
YAMADA. It's right at the bottom of the citation.
Oh, he was the one we met at the bottom of the hill.
I'm sure it is.
At the bottom of the hill.
Don't talk to cops.
Well, we're going to meet at the bottom of the hill.
Don't worry about it, champ.
What does she mean by the bottom?
Can I
of
have
the
that?
hill? My pen, guys? Thank you.
Oh.
Have a wonderful day, sir. There you go.
Can I park there?
No,
Why not?
because there's no parking there.
No, right there.
No, there's no parking there either.
What's that car in the black did?
No, they're not. That's a police car, I think.
You think or you know?
I think. I don't
Oh,
know.
let's go check.
Okay, here you go. sir.
Can I park
Have a
here?
wonderful day. No, you can't park there. No. All right, Santa. I'll see you. Have a wonderful day, sir.
This is Beverly Hills PD when they don't want you to film. You have a First Amendment right to always film the police. And this is a cop not wanting you to do that. So what do? They take their light and they shine it right at the camera. He thinks the recording isn't capturing it. It clearly is, of course.
Why are you taking pictures?
Always film the police.
What?
Always film the police.